Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Right now, I am with one of the lecturers at Unifam Humboldt University. Who I am will interview about Indian education. Okay. Good afternoon, sir. Who I talking about you?
I am Awi.
Okay, Mr. Ali. May I ask for your time and interview about Indian education? Let's start with the question. First question, in your opinion, what is the quality of Indian education provided by Unpam?
Okay. If we talk about the what is the kind of umpam, in this case is the umpam provide many facilities to the students. Of course, let's say that umpam has a good facility in delivering the learning process in the classroom, and also provide quality lecture who have good capacity, good capability in learning all of the subjects. And Umpam also has a good library full with textbook, which can be read by the students to increase their knowledge about all of the subjects in this university. So I think by providing all of the facilities, all of the good lectures, and etc., in that way, hopefully, there is the increasing of the quality of the students. Yes, that's it. That's my opinion. Yeah. As suppose I know.
Second question.
Yes.
What is the role of Unpam in preparing students of first import of work?
Yes, of course, if we talk about the role of Mamula University in terms of, let's say, we have law in Article 28, for example, there's the obligation for the state to provide a good lesson for all of the citizens in this country. And the role of UMPAM is to at least to help the government to ensure the educational development in Indonesia. Yeah, because let's say that UMPAM, the school fee or the cost of the students to pay the school fee is very low. It's reachable by the students to pay the cost for the first semester. It's reachable, and then all of the in particular, and also especially for the young generation to have a good education, because Umpam provides this campus, provide the facilities reachable. So the most important thing is we have one term, reachable, or in bahasa Indonesia terjangkau. So I think that's the most important things if we talk about the role of Umpam. Yes.
Yes. Quick question. Does Unpam have one internship or program or collaboration with the industrial world?
Yes, of course, if we scrutinize the role of OPAM, in particular, the role in engaging partnership, we mean, or collaboration with other stakeholders, we have plenty of partnership with OPAM, of course. We have a partnership with the other university. We also have a partnership with the, let's say, state institution. And also, if I don't mistake, they also have partnership with university abroad. Let's say in Singapore, in China, and etc. etc. So, I think by increasing the partnership, will the whole together of the stakeholder will working together to ensure that the students will have good services in education.
Fourth question. How does Umpang help students find career opportunities after graduate?
Okay. At least, yes, because you know that if you, let's say, if you has graduated from Umpang, you will seek for a job. Or, let me repeat once again. If you have graduated from Umpang, of course, you will seek for a job. And let's say, for myself as a lecturer, I will give you a good knowledge, a good skill, good soft skill, let's say, to provide your capacity looking for a good job. So I think that's the role of the Umpang in ensuring that you will have a good opportunity to evolve in the next time to find out the good job or the good profession for life. You got the point?
Fifth question. How big is the role of lectures in motivating students to learn and think critical?
Yes, the role of the lecture, I think, is it has a big role, perang ya, big role to make sure that the students will have yes, of course, they have a good knowledge because we know that the quality of Umpang University in general is quite a little bit, let's say, lack of knowledge, lack of self-confidence, lack of motivation, or let's say also lack of how to encourage the other. Now, I think in the classroom, the learning process conducted by the lecture, all of the lecture has a very important role to change them. To change them by encourage, by motivate, by stimulate also the students to have a good attitude in speaking, listening, or etc. Last question.
Yes, the last question. What are you for the future of Indian education in Hanwang?
My hope or my idea. Yes, of course, as a lecturer, all of us, I think, have a good, say, purpose, like purpose of objectives. For example, we have to ensure that the student already made, let's say, mindset is changed already, culture set also is changed already to face the future. I think that's our goal here. So, once again, to ensure that the students will have a good preparation to face their future, of course. So that's I think that's all my idea, my objective, my goals in delivering the learning process in the classroom for the students.
Matiin dulu. Ako lupa lagi. Okay, Mr. Ali. Thank you for your interview time, and thank you for your opinions about the education in Umpang and Indonesia.
Okay, that's my pleasure, of course.
So guys, maybe that's enough for this interview. See you in the next interview. Okay. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Right now,
Oh yeah, are you a YouTuber?
yeah. Oh no.
Good.
Right now, I am with one of the lecturers at Pamulang University, who will interview about higher education. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Till now.
What is your name?
My full name is Del Yuzak Samsi, but you can call me Bang Del. Don't call me Bapa. I'm not your Bapa, okay?
Okay.
Nice to meet you. What can I do for you?
Okay.
I'm ready.
Interview about major education.
Okay.
What the major do you think?
I teach. I give lecture in many subjects. Monetary economy, pendidikan kewarganegaraan, civic, Pancasila, Islamic economy, creative economy and business retail, so many. Okay, so many. Cooperative, business and law, financial institution,
Okay.
non-banking financial institution. Okay. Mm.
May I ask for your time
Mhm.
for an interview about major education?
Okay.
Okay,
Ready?
let's
Yeah.
start with the question. First question.
Yes.
In your opinion, what is the quality of higher education provided by UPAM or by Indonesia?
Okay. Unpam has started to become an university in Indonesia by recruiting students. And nowadays, Unpam has more than 100 million students.
Yes.
It proved that Unpam is growing, not only for Tangerang Selatan, but for Indonesia. Many students are from East Java, Aceh, Celebes, Kalimantan, Papua, Flores. Okay. The first time they focused to the numbers of students. How to get many students. It's okay, no problem. That's from the quantity side. But nowadays, and now, Unpam focus how to improve the quality by preferring the quality of lectures, the system, the facility. As you know, we have 3 buildings in Tangerang Selatan in the strategic area. In the corner of Unpan, near cycle of PDAM, right? Yeah. Di Tanah Harja, and then this building in Victor. And as a developing countries, and now we will be industry countries. We have no choice without improving the quality of education. How to all people can be educated by formal channel like school, university, college, institute, academy, beside informal channel like pesantren, training center, and others. Especially how the people can get a certification, because nowadays almost companies, almost corporates needs certification to prove someone has ability in a special ability. For example, certificate guru, you right? Customer service, and many. and many things. Okay.
Okay. Next, second question. What is the reason of Panglong University in preparing students to face the world of work?
What?
What is the reason
Oh, okay. What is the
Okay.
reason?
Panglong University
Mhm.
in preparing students to face the world
Too
of
too fast.
yes,
Mhm.
the world of
The world.
work
The world. The world. The world.
World.
The world.
World.
The world. The
Yeah.
world
of work.
of work. Oh, okay. The world of work.
Yes.
How to prepare.
Yes.
Unpang has prepared the faculties inspiring from the market needs. For example, why Unpam open communication department? Why Unpam open technology information faculty? It considered by the market situation, the need of market. Because after finishing study in Unpam, the alumni hope can contribute in the many sectors, not only for workers, but how to create the business. Okay, I think it's better to create business beside a good professional worker. Okay,
Okay.
so Unpam Unpam's better to prepare a small training center beside formal program in the campus. For example, there is a laboratory for economics student. Also to prepare language laboratory, right?
Right.
Library and the others.
Yes.
How to support some students to join in practical by working at some companies, some schools or university. Right? That's good.
Yes. Okay. Third question. How does Pang help students find career opportunities after graduation?
The first Unpam should create the student who have good quality because they will compete with many alumni from many universities, academy, institute. So how to support the student can master the knowledge to improve their skill. For example, you are studying in communication. You should improve your skill by always practicing by using the language laboratory. Always join in competition events. Okay, so the student will get experience, and then after finishing study, they have experiences to uh to prove that their good ability not only in theoretical but always in it practical by showing the certificate, the recommendation of their experience in working in some student in some companies or corporates or institution or school. Unbound students should have a good preparation to compete the world work. Okay. Maybe some years ago there is an exhibition like job fair here. Is that right? I think that's good. Job fair will be held here to give information the students before finishing the student before finishing study, so they have information. Students should collect much information about the world work, about the competition after finishing study. Okay.
Okay. Thank you for your answer.
Yeah.
I hope this interview is useful and thank you for your time.
You're welcome.
Have a nice day and
Yeah.
nice to meet you, brother.
Me too. Me too. Okay.
Say hello.
Yeah,
to
hello,
Samira.
bye.
Okay.
Thank you.